Hello, my all the wonderful students. Today, I have just thought to tell you a very important topic which is going to really change your life, which you have to understand a little bit carefully. So, there were two friends. One was Suhasini, and the second one name was Nandini. They both used to be all the time with each other, and they used to do the same as it is. So, as the you people are coming to the school, same way they were also studying in a very good school where they have learnt how to write the daily diary. They were also having the value education classes like the way you all are having life skill. They both were doing whatever the teacher were asking to both of them, not to both of them, to whole class. They were following value education and they were showing the daily diary also. It became habit for them to do that. Like that way, they have completed their up to 12th standard in that school. They went to the college and all. So things were happening well. But what happened? After the college, Suhasini became an IAS officer. Okay, and she also got a job, Nandini, but she was working for one MNC where she got average salary only. But she was surprised of the one thing. Okay, we both were doing the same thing. The way she was also studying, the way she was also following the teacher's instructions, everything I have done. For what reason? Actually, I did not get the way she has got the success at the early age. Because she also wrote the exam UPSC, but she did not crack the way she has cracked. Then she thought, let me to just ask her, okay, what was the reason and what she has hidden from me. So she went, she congratulated to her friend as she became an IAS officer. Then she has asked, I'm really not happy for one thing, Suhasini, although we used to be all the time together, but you did not share the secret what you were doing, which I did not do. Then Suhasini, she has a smile and she has like, very simple thing, whatever we have written and whatever the teachers have asked and my parents have asked, I was implementing also in my life. That time, she just got puzzles. What exactly she mean to say that? Then she has asked, what is the meaning of that? Then she said, whatever I used to write in the daily diary or whatever the value education I have learned, that was a part of my life also more than my study. So that time Nandini understood, okay, she was writing, she was listening, she was aware of everything, but it was not in her karma as a duty. So my dear students, today I am going to tell what is the main reason for what writing the daily diary. It means you should maintain a diary where you have to write your everyday task. Why this is very important? Just a very simple logic. Let me to tell you all about that. When we write, the first thing is, because when we are writing, we are not writing about any subject. You are sharing your feeling. You are putting on the paper what happened to you and why it happened. Everything is coming as a paper. Okay. When you are writing, where this message is going, writing is when you write on your own language while using your own words, where it's going back to your mind only. So when it is going to the mind, the way they both were doing, that's the reason they both have got the job. Even Nandini also has got a very good MNC. So she was just giving to the mind only all this message, what she should do, how it should be done, everything was happening. That second thing, this message is in your mind. But whenever we sit, you have seen that whenever we are sitting, we are listening anything, the mind will be thinking all the time. So when you are writing the message, what the mind will do? Mind will just give this message back to where? To the universe. Because we are the part of the universe. Whatever we are thinking, that is only happening to us. So the second step is your mind is giving to the universe this message. You want all these things. You wanted to do this. This thing happened to you. You want the correction here. Everything the mind will give back to the universe. And the third thing is where this universe will take this message. I feel that we all believe in the God, correct? No one of us can say that I don't, whether you have seen, none of us have seen actually, but we all believe in the God. So God is the supreme. How He looks and what He does, that is not the matter, but the matter is we all believe. The universe will give this message to the God, to the supreme who is taking care of everyone. This is the third thing. But what happened when the God sees you? Because God has received the message through you, through your mind. Then mind has given to the universe. Then universe has sent this energy to the God. But when the God is saying to you, that time God should see that whether you are doing this duty or not. You have written, I will wake up at, I have to, as my teacher told that, to wake up around 5 o'clock. Are you getting up? I should eat healthy. Are you eating healthy? I have to study for the 2 hours. Are you studying for the 2 hours? These all, because God is like your examiner who has to first check whether are you doing or not, because otherwise everyone is asking, everyone is writing. So God has to choose who is topper in this exam. So when you write all these things, are you doing that correction? Who will be doing? We all are giving you the information and the knowledge. You are doing, you are putting everything. But when it times for you to do with your action, that time God is there to just check. Are you doing? If you are doing, God will correct everything and will you give the marks accordingly. So here, Nandini was, everything was writing, but she was not doing the way Suhasini was doing actually. It was there in her karma. She was doing very hard work also, more than Nandini here. So got it here, everyone? The fourth thing, when the God has seen, God found that she was doing more hard work compared to the Nandini. So fifth, what happened? She got her fruit. The way you do, the same way you will get the fruits also. So understood why the writing the daily diary is first important. First thing is very important, you should write, because writing is message to the mind. Then second thing is mind will take to the universe. Third thing is God will come and will see whether you are doing or not. If you are doing, you will get the fruit. So understood why I used to ask to you all to write down the daily diary. Writing the daily diary will make you one day highly successful person. Okay, so start following that. Thank you so much.